Ever wonder what it's like to take Amtrak from Las Vegas to Chicago? Stay tuned to Roaming Rails to find out. This casino was built on top of Amtrak's Vegas station. But Amtrak does run a shuttle that'll take you from the airport to the closest Amtrak station. To catch the shuttle, you must go to Terminal 1, the baggage claim area of Terminal 1, and find the escalator that takes you down to 0 level. Make sure you arrive early so you give yourself time to find the Amtrak shuttle. Once you get to 0 level, you exit out these doors. Once you exit out these doors, then you have to follow the path to the other side of this garage to get to the waiting area. Be careful crossing to the other side of the garage. There's other shuttles picking up as well. The lighted box to the right has different shuttle schedules. And if you look in there and you see the Amtrak information card, then you know you are in the right area. Just have a seat. This is the van you're looking for. When you see this van, get up and head over to it. The driver will check you in. The ride is approximately 2 hours to the Kingman Amtrak station. From the Kingman station, it's probably another hour or so until the train arrives. The Kingman station isn't a bad little station. The bathroom's actually clean. The train that takes you from Kingman to Chicago is Amtrak Southwest Chief, which originates in LA. My girlfriend and I are staying in an Amtrak roomette, which was already set up for bedtime when we got on. It has 2 beds, an upper and lower bed. We went to sleep immediately. When I woke up in the morning, it was time for a shower. So here's what the shower looks like. Good water pressure, nice warm water. Amtrak provides the soap, washcloths, and towels. The attendant comes and converts the bedroom into a room with 2 seats. There was only 1 outlet, but luckily I brought my multi-port adapter. I do wish there was a sink like some other roomettes have. Food is included with the sleeper car ticket. The Southwest Chief has a traditional dining menu. The traditional dining menu is the best menu on Amtrak. Take a look at all the different meals we had on our trip. Breakfast, got omelets, scrambled eggs, sausage, bacon. Then at lunch, grilled cheese with ham, patty melt. Everything is good. Dinner time, I had the steak, cooked medium with a baked potato. Girlfriend had a pasta dish. There is also an observation car. It's open to sleeper car passengers and coach passengers. You can sit here and relax and check out all the views. Check out some of these views I recorded. There are smoke break stops where you can get off the train, stretch your legs for a little bit, like this one in Fort Madison. Don't wander too far from the train because it will leave you when it's time to go. Nobody is going to come find you. After approximately 35 hours, the train is ready to pull in to Chicago Union Station. Remember to tip your attendant as you get off. If you found this video informative, remember to hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Keep roaming the rails